Hey there, welcome to video number 2 in my Getting Amazon FBA Virtual Assistant series. In this series, I'm explaining to you all the process where I'm getting virtual assistants for my Amazon FBA business without previous experience of doing so. And I'm doing so by learning from my good friend Barak Almog, who's the CEO of Sellerboard. And he teaches me all the process of getting a virtual assistants, working with them. It's kind of a program that I'm going through, and I'm about to hit lesson number 2 in about 5 minutes or 10 minutes or so. So I just wanted to report on what's been going on in this weekend and what I had to do. In my homework, Barak gave me kind of a document to document my specific procedures in the business, okay? And I did this specific one for the YouTube, so I kind of outlined the processes that I have in my business that I do regularly, but I need to transfer essentially. I guess that's what he's trying to do. He's trying to show me that through doing this homework. So I had to kind of write these things down. And also I had to talk about fires in my business where recently I had problems in my business. So I had to think of these things where I had to kind of go and extinguish the fire. Maybe you know what I'm talking about in business, where you have some things that you need to constantly finish from the previous days or something like this occurs. So I had to think of these processes as well, and also had to create an SOP, which is standard operating procedure, where essentially it's a video on Loom or something else where I show a specific process in my business and I outline it to the VA and I show how to kind of do this process. So I had to do a few processes. I did 3 of them, and most of them were about YouTube because I'm kind of doing both. And I did the SOP for cutting the video, where I have to cut the video. I do it manually, cutting the ums and ums. When somebody says and we cut this in the video. We don't need this because it kind of doesn't provide the best user experience. So I talked about this. I talked about how to kind of add specific things like and subscribe buttons to a video. I do this all manually, so I'm kind of trying to pass it over, and generally how to render this file. So I had to do these SOPs. I showed it in a detail of how to do that for my virtual assistant kind of in the future. And also I had to read some of Barak's book, which is like a book for outsourcing workers in the Philippines. The book is in Hebrew. Maybe he has it in English as well. If he does, then that's pretty awesome. And yeah, so this is my kind of little update, and this is video number 2. We're gonna have the video number 3 up here. So let's see how it goes. It's kind of rehearsed. I just go and tell you the process. I'm about to hit the number 2 lesson, so I'm pretty excited. So check out the video number 3 once it's out here, and the playlist is in the description if you want to see old videos. May you have a great day. Bye bye.